What is going on? Happy Friday. Today I have a very special video for you. I want to show you how to raise the energy of your intention. And I'm going to be giving you a lecture straight from the Transurfing reality course that Lawrence and I released about 2 weeks ago. It's been going great so far. We've been getting amazing feedback, so thank you. And today I wanted to fulfill this video request that I have gotten for like months now, but I never wanted to do it because I wanted to just make this video for the course with a proper visual, because you need to conceptualize this with like a visual so you could actually do the exercise. The exercise will help you raise the energy of your intention, meaning your intention will become more powerful by doing this. The state of consciousness that the average individual lives in that state, the power of their intention is not as strong as the power of the intention of a person who has been working on themselves, doing a lot of self-work, spiritual work, going within, meditation, doing all the energy exercises. So this is one of those exercises that Vadim Zealand in Reality Transurfing suggests as one of the most powerful ways to raise the energy of your intention. So what you intend actually has more power to manifest as physical reality. I've been practicing this for about a year now, not as consistently. I have incorporated other exercises as well, which I will share with you in the upcoming weeks or so. But this has been a very, very, very powerful exercise for me. I used to do it every single day after I went for a run. Now I do it here and there, usually just in my room. You don't need anything for this exercise. All you need is your willingness. If you enjoy this video and want more lectures like this on reality transurfing and manifesting your intentions, click the link in the description box below and also the first comment. You can click either link and enroll in the course right away and have access to all the lectures right away. All right, without further ado though, let's get right into the video. In this lecture, we will build on the previous one about energy, and we will directly learn how to raise the energy of our intention so it has greater impact on our manifestation journey, our life in general. Okay, let's get right into it. So as I said in the previous lecture, your energy of intention is proportionate, equally proportionate to the amount of free energy flowing in your body. And in order to raise your energy, you have to widen your meridians. You can develop and maintain healthy energy levels by regularly performing the following exercise that I'm about to show you. It is very simple and does not use up much time. I'm going to read the directions for the exercise right out of the book, okay? So here it goes. First, you stand in a comfortable, relaxed position. Breathe in and imagine a flow of energy coming out of the ground and entering the perineal region and moving up the spine, exiting the head and then extending upwards into the sky. Now breathe out and imagine that a flow of energy is descending from the sky, and the flow of energy enters your head, moves along the spine, and passes out and down into the ground. You do not necessarily have to have a sense of the physical flow of energy. It is enough to just imagine it. So don't worry about it if you don't feel it, because in the beginning you will not. With time, your sensitivity will develop and you will learn to feel the energy moving. Now, next, imagine both currents moving towards each other simultaneously without crossing. Okay? So one is going up, one is going down, each in its own meridian. At first, practice on the in-breath and out-breath, right? So in-breath, the flow is going up, and out-breath, the flow is going down. And they're both simultaneously existing. But after a while, just try to let go of tying the flows of energy to the rhythm of your breathing. They're just there now, okay? You can quicken the flow, imbuing it with power using the strength of your imagination. Now imagine that ascending flow exits the body and pours downwards over the head like a fountain shape. So the energy that is coming out of the ground and going through your spine and up through your head, now it's coming down, it's pouring over your head like a fountain. Imagine that. Similarly, the descending flow exits the body and passes in the opposite direction directly under the feet. You now have two fountains, one above you and one below you. Okay, so there's one fountain coming from below your feet, one fountain coming from above your head. Mentally unite the spray of both fountains so that you are enveloped inside a sphere of energy. Then draw your attention to the surface of the body. Feel the surface of your skin and extend the same feeling out into the sphere like a balloon that gets bigger and bigger when you blow into it. So this feeling of your body is just expanding and meeting the fountains. Okay, so the feeling of the outside of your skin, it's expanding. And every single time you breathe, it expands. Every single time you breathe, it expands more until it interlocks with the spray of the fountains. Again, do not try too hard to feel this happening physically. The physical sensation will come little by little over time. This is called energy training. By joining the currents into a sphere, you create a protective shield around your body. It also trains your energy levels and cleanses your meridians. And cleansing your meridians makes them wider. A greater flow comes into your body, and whatever diseases you might be experiencing right now, those can be healed. You are also preventing yourself from experiencing future diseases. Not only that, but just the energy and vitality that you need to do daily things and go for your goals and make them happen. All of that energy is now sufficiently in your body, and this will happen over time. Vadim Zeland claims this exercise to be invaluable. Do it every day if you wish, and multiple times for quick little sessions. Don't look for fast results, nothing happens just like that. Over time, however, you will begin to feel energy more easily. Another major component of increasing the energy of your intention is to start considering yourself as a part of the whole of infinity. Until you start to feel any oneness with the world, it will be very difficult for your mind to let go of the grip of control and just start following the flow, start going with the flow. So you can't just start creating your own reality through some techniques and tools that you learn. What you really have to do is you have to start to incorporate this feeling of oneness with the outside world and with your daily life. Okay? Throughout your meditation practice and mindfulness through daily tasks, you have to begin to sense this oneness, this connectedness with the entire universe. When you keep widening your meridians through this exercise, when you keep raising your conscious awareness through meditation, and as you keep practicing transurfing principles daily, you will start to feel more and more oneness with the world. And as a result of that, you will come into a position of balance and harmony with the world. You will enable yourself to go with the flow. You will be plugged into the information field, the alternative space, an unlimited source of creativity. That's what you're going to be plugged into. You will give yourself access to the cosmos, the entire information of the entire universe. You will radiate harmonious energy, and it's going to create an oasis of prosperity and success around you. Now, those are words right from the book. That's what starts to happen little by little as you continue working on yourself, as you continue to raise your awareness and just doing these exercises. So don't expect anything to happen just right away, but enjoy the increasing feeling of oneness and success and effortlessness and love and positivity. Because the more you focus on it, the more it will grow. So continue working on yourself and take it day by day. There is no rush, but treat every single day like your personal project. Don't just think miracles are rare. Think that they can happen anytime, any day, all day. Now, you have a great exercise at your disposal. Use it to your advantage. When I started doing this exercise earlier on, when I just had read Transurfing, I honestly didn't feel anything. And that was actually the beginning of my energy training. I have also incorporated some other energy exercises that I do sometimes. So over time, I have increased my feeling, my physical sensation of the energy. I feel it way more in my body now. And even through, doing so much body meditations for like 2 years, I now have a very good sense of body awareness where it always helps me to stay present. Because you got to think, like, your mind is always just thinking and it's always so caught up just in those thoughts, right? So what we're doing with these kinds of exercises and through conscious awareness and through body meditation, body awareness, is we're extracting the attention from those thoughts, from the mind, and putting it within you, your body, your energy field. And as a result of that, it starts to grow. The feeling starts to grow as well. So stay patient with this. You don't necessarily have to do this exercise. I do recommend it, however, because it doesn't take that much time and it's fairly simple to do. And you'll see that over time, it just, you just kind of keep affirming to yourself that yes, the energy of my intention is growing stronger and stronger every day. And because you intend for it to do so, it does exactly that. All right. So if you have any questions regarding this exercise or anything in this module, put it in the Facebook group. But that is all I have for this lecture. I will see you in the next one. There you go. There you have it. The energy exercise right from Reality Transurfing. The energy exercise to raise the power of your intention. All right. Again, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this lecture and you want to explore Reality Transurfing at a greater depth and really learn how to properly implement it into your life and manifest the life that you want with consistent progress, then click the link in the description box below or the first comment. But that's all for me today. All right. I will see you tomorrow.